Namaskar, myself Dr. Supreet welcomes you all in the daily weather briefing of India Meteorological Department. Today is 10 January and we will start with the weather observed during past 24 hours. Dense to very dense fog where visibility was less than 50 meter was reported from Jammu, Punjab, West Uttar Pradesh, East Uttar Pradesh, Haryana, West Rajasthan and also from Bihar. Apart from that, dense fog where visibility was between 50 to 199 meters were observed in isolated pockets of Uttarakhand, Delhi, sub-Himalayan West Bengal and Sikkim and also over Odisha. Regarding cold day to severe cold day condition prevailed in some parts of Bihar and cold day conditions prevailed over Rajasthan. Also, cold wave to severe cold wave conditions prevailed in some places over Himachal Pradesh, Bihar and cold wave conditions prevailed over Punjab, Haryana, Chandigarh, Jharkhand, Odisha and North India, Karnataka. And also ground frost observed in isolated pockets of Uttarakhand. Now we'll see the highlights of today's presentation. Yesterday's deep depression over southwest Bay of Bengal weakened into a depression over southwest Bay of Bengal of northeast Sri Lanka coast. Then dense fog condition very likely to continue during morning hours over northwest India and Bihar during next 5 to 7 days and over isolated parts of Madhya Pradesh, northeast India and sub-Himalayan West Bengal and Sikkim during next 1 to 3 days. Regarding cold day, so cold day conditions likely to prevail in isolated parts over Punjab, Haryana, Chandigarh, sub-Himalayan West Bengal and Sikkim on 10th, Rajasthan on 10th and 11th and Bihar during 10 to 14 January. Cold wave to severe cold wave conditions very likely in isolated pockets of Rajasthan on 12th and 13th and cold wave conditions very likely in isolated pockets of Rajasthan during 11th to 14th over Himachal Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana, Chandigarh and Delhi and also over Odisha on 11th and 12th and over Uttarakhand and Jharkhand and North India, Karnataka on 11th January. Now we'll see the synoptic system prevailing of our region. So yesterday's deep depression over southwest Bay of Bengal moved west northwestwards and weakened into a depression and lay centered at today morning over southwest Bay of Bengal of northeast Sri Lanka coast near latitude 8.8 degree north and longitude 81.6 degree east. The system further moved west northwestwards with a speed of 15 km during past 6 hours and lay centered at 8:30 hours IST of today, the 10th January, over the same region near latitude 9.1 degree north and longitude 81.2 degree east, which is about 50 km east southwest of Mullaivittu in Sri Lanka and 60 km north northeast of Trincomalee, that is also in Sri Lanka, and 140 km east southeast of Jaffna, that is in Sri Lanka, and 250 km southeast of Karaikal, Puducherry, and 450 km west southwest of Chennai. This system is very likely to continue to move west northwestwards and cross North Sri Lanka coast between Trincomalee and Jaffna close to Mullaitivu as a depression by today noon or afternoon. Regarding other synoptic system, so the western disturbance persists over as a cyclonic circulation over North Pakistan and adjoining Punjab with a trough aloft in middle tropospheric westerlies roughly along longitude 71 degree east to the north of latitude 30 degree north. Apart from that, induced upper air cyclonic circulation also over Haryana also persists, and then subtropical westerly jet stream with core winds of the order of 190 knots at 12.6 km above mean sea level prevails over northwest India, and there is also an upper air cyclonic circulation over northeast Assam and neighborhood in lower tropospheric levels. Now we'll see the forecast of minimum temperature for next 7 days. No significant change in minimum temperatures likely over northwest India and Madhya Pradesh during next 7 days. Then gradual rise in minimum temperatures likely over Vidarbha and Chhattisgarh by about 2 degrees centigrade during next 4 days, and thereafter no significant change for next 3 days. Then gradual rise in minimum temperatures likely over East India by about 2 degrees centigrade during next 2 days, and thereafter no significant change for next 5 days. Then gradual rise in minimum temperatures likely over northeast India by 2 to 3 degrees centigrade during next 3 days, and thereafter no significant change for next 4 days. No significant change in minimum temperatures likely over Maharashtra during next 2 days, and gradual rise by 2 to 3 degrees centigrade during subsequent 3 days, and thereafter no significant change for next 2 days. No significant change in minimum temperatures likely over Gujarat state during next 2 days, and gradual rise by 2 to 3 degrees centigrade during subsequent 2 days, and thereafter gradual fall by 2 to 3 degrees centigrade for next 3 days. Now we'll see the weather warning for today. So orange warning is issued over Punjab, Haryana and also over Rajasthan, Bihar and Tamil Nadu. Over Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan and Bihar because of dense to very dense fog and also cold wave and cold day conditions. Over Tamil Nadu, The orange warning is issued for heavy to very heavy rainfall at one or two places, along with strong surface winds and thunderstorm and lightning activity at one or two places. Regarding yellow warning, so for dense fog, yellow warning is issued for Jammu and Kashmir, also over Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, and also over sub-Himalayan West Bengal and Sikkim, and Assam, Meghalaya, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, and Tripura, where dense fog conditions are likely to prevail over one or two places. And apart from that, cold wave warning is also given for North India, Karnataka, Odisha, and also over Jharkhand and Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand. At one or two places, yellow warning is issued for that. Cold wave warning is issued for sub-Himalayan West Bengal and Sikkim for today. For next 3 days, that is from 11 to 13, the orange warning is issued for Rajasthan and Punjab, Haryana for tomorrow. That is for dense to very dense fog along with cold wave and cold day conditions. Over Bihar, it is because of dense fog and cold day conditions. Then for day 3, the orange warning continues over Rajasthan and Bihar. And for day 4, the orange warning is given only for Bihar. Regarding yellow warning, so fog warning for Jammu Kashmir continues for day 2. After that, there is no fog warning for Jammu Kashmir, but fog warning continues for next 3 days over Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, and also over northeastern states for day 4. Over Tamil Nadu, for tomorrow, heavy rainfall warning is given, the yellow warning is given along with thunderstorm activity. For 12, that is for day 3, the thunderstorm warning only continue over Tamil Nadu. Over Odisha, tomorrow, yellow warning is issued for cold wave conditions. Next subsequent 3 days, that is day 5 to day 7, that is for 14 to 16. Fog warning continues over most of the northern states such as Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, and Bihar for this. And also on 15 over Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand. Over Bihar on day 5, that is on 14th, there is also cold day warning. All these places yellow warning is given. And also over northeastern states, day 5, that is on 15th, fog warning is given for Assam, Meghalaya, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, and Tripura. Now we'll see the fisherman warning. In this picture, you can see that extreme southern tip of India, some areas are marked over southwest Bay of Bengal by grey color. Fishermen are advised not to venture into these areas for next 3 days because of squally weather. Now, impact expected wherever we have given orange warning due to dense to very dense fog condition. So, over transport and aviation sector, it may affect some airports, highways, and railway routes in the affected Met subdivision. Difficult driving condition with slower journey times. Unless taken precautionary measure, it may lead to some road traffic collisions. Over power sectors, chances of tripping of power lines in very dense fog is also there. Regarding human health, lung-related health impacts, and also eye irritation, and people having asthma or bronchitis, they are likely to get affected. And action suggested over transport and aviation sector, be careful while driving or outing through any mode of transport. Use fog lights during driving and avoid high beam lamps in the fog conditions. Be in touch with airlines, railways, or state transport authorities for schedule of your journey. Over power sector, keep ready the maintenance team. Over human health is to avoid unnecessary outings unless emergency, and also while outside, please cover the face. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. For more details and update, please log on to our website mausam.imd.gov.in. Also download our apps. धन्यवाद, नमस्कार, जय हिंद.